In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit account. Head to reddit.com. You can also find us in Play Store and App Store. After that, click on sign up on the right corner. Choose the email. You will receive an email verification. Head to your email and you find email verification that looks like this. Copy this link, head back up, open a new tab and paste this link. Or you can just click the button. Then you will be soon redirected. As you can see right here, I already created this account. I can choose my gender, all of those stuff, or I can just click skip. Anything I would like to skip, I'll just skip. I would like to randomize my avatar. I'm gonna click on skip. And I'm good to go, basically. Waiting a couple of seconds, my account is being created right now by the Reddit team. Here you can use and browse Reddit as you would like. You can vote up anything by clicking on the vote up, vote down. This is like and dislike. That's it and goodbye.